Who have I become? Then I just grabbed my bloobs. I just love savoury food. If it's beige, I love it. Oh, that's quite a big spoonful, that. That's what we're after, lads. Great life choice. Please excuse this hair that I have clearly made no effort with today and cannot be bothered. Dry shampooing it was even an effort. But anyway, today I thought I would film a what I eat in a day video because it has been a long time since I filmed one of these. Anyway, I am really hungry. The main reason I didn't do anything with my hair is because I need to eat, because this gal is getting hangry. Honestly, hunger is such a real thing with me. If I'm hungry, I go really quiet and I just don't want to talk. I just can't focus on anything other than food. So let's go and get some breakfast. Oh, by the way, already had a cup of tea this morning. Here's my cup of tea. Look at me, thinking ahead. Oh, shut up, Home's under the hammer. No one wants to hear it. Not gonna lie, I do feel that since my last what I eat in a day video, my diet has significantly improved. Significantly optimistic. It's improved a little bit. I've started to have a more consistent breakfast. I have breakfast every day now and I never used to before because I just thought, oh, I can't be bothered, I'll just wait for lunch. So let's make breakfast because she's a breakfast gal now. Just looked at the fruit bowl and we've got no bananas left. Fuming, mate, fuming. So pretty much every day I have this yogurt, which is the Onken mango, papaya and passion fruit yogurt. Absolutely love it. It's one of those bio yogurts, but I try not to think about that because it's a little bit gross. I have a little bit of granola with it. This one isn't my fave, but clearly I've eaten a lot of it. I don't put too much granola on, but it makes me feel healthy, so I sprinkle a little bit. And then I like to mix up my fruit situation. Just so happens the only fruit we've got in the house right now is blueberries, but usually I would have pineapple, raspberries, banana. I have a banana on it most days because the banana is the most filling, but today this is it. Wow, what a good start to the what I eat in a day video. This is probably the worst breakfast I've had for a long time. One of these pots of yogurts tends to last me 2 breakfasts, so I get through quite a lot of it. That's about how much granola I put on every day. Really not a lot. I've just washed my blueberries, give them a little dry. Then I just grab my bloobs. And then every morning with my breakfast, I have a drinkable vitamin just because it's so easy to have with breakfast. Today I'm having a focus one because I've got a lot of work to get done, so it helps me to like not get distracted. And that, my friends, is today's breakfast. Super simple, super quick. Oh, I love a good stretch. So it's been about 2 hours since I had breakfast. For lunch today, I'm gonna have a sandwich. Wow, how exciting. But it actually is quite exciting because my mum bought my favourite bread this morning. Wow, I never thought I'd be getting excited over bread at this age. Who have I become? But I'm gonna have a bit of a mixy-matchy lunch, which is what I have most days, to be honest. Anything that's in the fridge, I'm like, I'll have a bit of that. Woohoo, lunch is my favourite meal of the day. Always has been, always will be. I just love savoury food. If it's beige, I love it. And here we have the recipes for the best lunch ever. So I'm gonna have a tuna and sweet corn sandwich. This is the bread that I was on about. Absolutely love it. It's like seeded. It tastes quite nutty. It's just the best bread ever, especially with tuna. If you're a tuna kind of gal, honestly, try this bread. You can always count on me for a bread recommendation. So this is today's lunch. And I've also got some hummus and carrots. This is my fave hummus ever. It's from M&S. It's the hummus made with extra virgin olive oil. I've got some cool original Doritos to dip in as well. And this is my favourite pasta from Asda. This is the pesto and pine nut pasta. Pretty good lunch if you ask me. And I've also got a glass of Volvic strawberry water. This is the sugar-free one. This is a good lunch in my opinion. You may disagree, but for me, this is a very strong lunch. I have an update for you. So the time is now, it's actually 20 to 6. I honestly don't know where today has gone, but I'm about to have a mid-afternoon snack. We eat dinner quite late in our house, so we won't have dinner till probably like 8 o'clock. So I've just made my mum and I a cup of tea. This is the colour I have my tea. I like it quite dark and I like it quite sugary. So I'm about to have a cuppa and a Snickers. Snickers are probably my fave chocolate bar. That's a bold statement, but I feel like they're underrated. And mum and I are just about to watch Jade and Matt getting their puppy. Oh my goodness, so excited to watch this. So this is tonight's dinner. Tonight we've got roast lamb, which is one of my favourites. What's the green stuff? Cabbage?
That's tender heart cabbage.
Some tender heart cabbage, some swede, roast potatoes, a few parsnips. I don't love parsnips, so I haven't got that many. And my absolute favourite, Yorkshire puddings and gravy. And to drink to go with it, I've got this cloudy apple cider and blackcurrant cordial. You might have seen in my Brighton vlog, I tried this when I was with Becca and Alice and I absolutely loved it. So yeah, this is tonight's dinner. I forgot to add, also always have mint sauce with lamb. Let me know in the comments down below, do you like mint sauce or not? I feel like it's quite a Marmite. You either love it or you hate it. And finally, we have my evening. What's up, party people? I have transformed and I'm looking a bit odd because one, I have no makeup on, and two, I'm fake tanned, so I'm looking a bit peculiar. But anyway, the time is now 11:15 at night and I'm about to have my last snack of the day. I'm aware this is very late to be eating, but it'd be like that sometimes. So usually at this sort of time I would have a cup of tea, but in the summer I like to have my speciality, an ice cream milkshake. I'm going to show you how to make the best milkshake in the entire world. I like to have a little milky drink before bed, helps me sleep. Probably doesn't, I'm just greedy. So for my classic ice cream milkshake, you will need Cornish ice cream. Not standard vanilla, got to get Cornish, it's creamier, it's yummier. Doesn't matter where it's from, doesn't have to be Tesco, just Cornish ice cream is what you're looking for. You obviously need your milk for a milkshake. Whatever milk is your preference, that'll be fine. And your final ingredient, chocolate powder. I feel like I've made that a lot more complicated than it needed to be. Whack your milk in a mixing bowl. Wow, I love baking at 11 PM. Next up, I'm gonna put about 4 big spoonfuls of ice cream in the bowl. Maybe 5 if I'm feeling generous. Oh, that's quite a big spoonful, that. That's what we're after, lads. This is really, really bad for you and really, really sugary. So if you do drink this before bed, make sure you give your teeth a good old brush. And then I'm just gonna put some of this in the bowl. I don't measure this, to be honest. Also, my snack for tonight may or may not be a glazed raspberry donut from Krispy Kreme. Just finishing my day with a bit of health, you know. Nothing like sugar to fuel your body for sleep. Great life choice. What's up, party people? So it's actually the next night now and I've just finished editing this video. I realised that I just stopped after the milkshake. Nice one, Han. As you can probably tell, my diet in the summer is a lot better than what I eat in the winter. Great life choice. Don't get me wrong, summer foods are definitely my fave. I love salad, I love fruit, things like that. But I also do love a carby lunch in the winter. It's all about having a bit of balance. And I've had a few comments on my channel recently being like, how do you stay so slim when you eat such rubbish and things like that? Because I do joke around a lot about like having a lot of McDonald's and stuff, but I actually have a very balanced diet, which I would highly recommend. It's fine to have a McDonald's once a week and a chocolate milkshake and a donut if you're also having your 5 a day and you're having a bit of balance. I'm not a nutritionist though, so take everything I say with a pinch of salt because I don't really know the right thing to do. I just do what's right for me and my body. Anyway, I'm rambling. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. If you didn't enjoy it, sorry about it. Go and watch another one of my videos and hopefully enjoy that one. If you don't enjoy that one, maybe just don't subscribe. We love a bit of self-promo. But if you do happen to enjoy my vids, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a lovely week and I'll see you again soon with another video. Bye! Adios, amigos. Over and out.